Your Gramps is going to take your video. Are your eyes getting a little tired? You talk. Greg, you've been talking. Look at his eyes. Yeah, you're watching everything, so what's that for? He's trying to focus. And my firstborn is there. So, you're amazing.
I heard a little talking.
No, he's kind of clearing his throat there. Yes, you're gonna say something again? You like it semi-dark. Let's try it semi-dark. How's that? Is that better? He's watching the camera. And you look here.
You're looking at me now.
What, too much to take in, isn't it?
Not focusing.